So how to change your email address on PayPal. So to change your email address on PayPal, if you open up your dashboard here, you'll just want to click on the settings icon at the top right here. Then once you've done that, it will open you up to this page here. And right where the arrow is pointing on screen, it will display the current email address associated with your PayPal account. And to go ahead and change it, just click on edit. And then you'll be brought through to this page here where it says update your primary email address. Then once you've entered your email, click confirm. And then from there, you'll just need to go ahead and open up your email address and enter the one-time code that PayPal sent over. And there you have it. And you should see your new email address listed as your new primary. And if you want to go ahead and delete your old one, click the three dots and you can go ahead and delete it from there. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.